How are you all? Fine? Very nice. So welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Okay. Today we are going to learn awareness subject. Okay children. In awareness subject we are going to learn a very interesting topic. Okay. Yes. Can you have some guess what we are going to learn today? Yes. I will show you something, you have to observe, then you will come to know what we are going to learn today, okay? What we are going to learn in today's episode, you will be able to recognize, okay? Tell me, what is this? Yes, very good, it's a flower. But which flower it is? Yes, which flower it is? Very good, it is rose flower, okay? Now I will show you one more flower. See, which flower it is? Very good, it is marigold flower. Which flower it is? Marigold, okay. So children, now I have shown you two flowers, okay, that is rose and marigold. So have you, now can you guess which topic we are going to learn today? Yes, come on, think for 1 minute and tell me what we are going to learn today. Yes, very good. We are going to learn today about flowers. Okay. What we are going to learn? Yes, today we are going to learn the topic that is flowers from your awareness skill book. Okay. Now I have shown you this flower. This is rose flower. Which flower it is? Rose. Can you see the color? Which color it is? Orange color. You can find rose flower in many colors, okay? You can see white color rose, yellow color, pink color, orange color, maroon color, okay? And this is pink color, okay? Dark pink, okay? So this is which flower? It is rose flower. Very good. Next one is marigold. Very good. You can see the garlands, yes or no? In that you can see this marigold flower. So which flower it is? Marigold flower. This flower also you can see in many colors, okay? Like yellow color, okay? This is yellow color marigold and this is orange color marigold, okay? Yes. So which flower it is? It's marigold. Very good. Now I will show you one more flower. See. Which flower it is? You can see this flower in your garden at your house. You can see this flower. Which flower it is? It is hibiscus flower. Very good. Which flower it is? Hibiscus. This flower also we use use this flower while doing puja. In your puja house you can use this flower, okay? Usually we keep this flower in front of Ganpati Bappa. Yes or no? Yes, it is the favorite of Ganpati Bappa. This is hibiscus flower. Which flower it is? Hibiscus flower. Very good. So, one more I will show you now. See here. Which flower it is? Have you guessed which flower it is? White color it is, but name of this flower is chrysanthemums. Which flower it is? It is chrysanthemums, okay? This also you can see in the garlands, okay? Yes. So, now I have shown you some flowers that are marigold, rose, chrysanthemums and this is hibiscus, okay? So, now in today's episode, we are going to learn some more flowers, okay? So, you have to be ready with your awareness skill book. Just you have to pay attention to teacher. Now you have to open your awareness skill book. Come on, open your awareness skill book. You have to open page number 3535. Okay. So have you opened page number 3535 of your awareness skill book? Yes. What is the heading here? FLOWERS, flowers. Okay? Yes. So today we are going to learn the topic that is flowers. First you have to see here what is given. Some flowers have many petals. So now what are petals? Yes, what are petals? Can you tell me what are petals? See here, I will show you. Now this is a hibiscus flower. Okay, this part of the flower is known as a petal. Okay, yes, so you can see how many petals over here now. Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many petals are there? 5. So this part of a flower is known as petal. Okay, so now we will see there are some flowers, they have many petals. Okay, flowers, they have some flowers, they have many petals. Okay, they are marigold. Which flower is this? Just now I have shown you the flower, that is marigold. Repeat after teacher. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. This is which flower it is? Very good. R-O-S-E, rose. R-O-S-E, rose. This is dahlia. D-A-H-L-I-A. D-A-H-L-I-A, dahlia. This is L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Which flower is this? This is our national flower. Which flower it is? Lotus. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. This is daisy. D-A-I-S-Y, daisy. D-A-I-S-Y, daisy. Okay, have you all understood? Now we will see which are the flowers that have many petals. Okay, these are the flowers, they have many petals. Which are they? Repeat after teacher. Marigold, lotus, dahlia, daisy, rose. These flowers, they have many petals. Okay, they have many petals. So these flowers are known as many flowers petal. Many petals flowers. Okay, yes. Which are the flowers? Marigold, lotus, dahlia, daisy and rose. Okay, now we will see which are the flowers they have few petals, means which flowers they have some petals. We will see them. Okay, see here now. This is J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. This is orchid flower. O-R-C-H-I-D, orchid. O-R-C-H-I-D, orchid. Next one is buttercup. B-U-T-T-E-R-C-U-P, buttercup. Just now I have shown you hibiscus flower. Yes or no? Yes. So repeat the spelling. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S, hibiscus. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S, hibiscus. This is lily. L-I-L-Y, lily. L-I-L-Y, lily. So these are some petals flowers. Okay, they are, repeat after teacher, jasmine, orchid, buttercup, hibiscus and lily. Okay, so have you all understood which are the flowers they have many petals and which are the flowers they have some petals. Okay, yes. Now this is next page. Turn the page. Page number 3636. Okay, now we will read these names of the flowers which have few petals. Okay, just now we have repeated, once we will revise. Okay, so repeat after teacher. Jasmine. Jasmine. Which flower is this? Yes, this is jasmine flower. Very good. Jasmine. Jasmine. Next one is hibiscus. 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 Next one is orchid. Very good. ORCHID. 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 Next flower is which flower? Come on, tell me. Yes. Come on, tell me fast. Next one is buttercup. 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 Next one is lily. 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 Understood? Now tell me which flower is this? Very good. It is jasmine flower. This one buttercup. This orchid. This is lily. This is hibiscus. Very good. So now tell me which flower is this? Marigold. Very good. This is daisy. This is rose. This one lotus. And this is dahlia. Very good. So children, you have to practice this at home. You should be able to identify the names of flowers. Okay. Now turn the page. Take out page number 3737. Okay. Take out page number 3737. What is given here? Now here is fun time. What we have to do? Color the happy flower. Okay. See, you can see this flower. How it is looking? It is happy or sad? Yes, it is happy. See the broad smile. Yes or no? So this flower is happy. So we have to color this happy flower. So you can take your favorite colors. Okay, so you can take your favorite colors to color this flower. Okay, yes, come on, start coloring. Take your crayon box. You have to color this happy flower. Okay, why this flower is looking happy? Yes, come on, tell me. How you can say this flower is happy? Yes, we can see the smile. Yes or no? Smiley face it is. So this flower is happy and we have to color the happy flower. Okay, you can use your favorite colors to color the flower. Come on, color fast. You can use your favorite colors to color the flower. Okay, yes. You have to color very properly, okay? You have to color the flower within the outline. You should not spread the colors outside, okay? Very properly you have to color the flower. Which flower we are coloring now? Yes, it is a happy flower. Yes or no? You can use your favorite colors, okay? Pink, yellow, whichever is your favorite color. You can use that color and you can color this flower, okay? Which topic we are learning today, children? Come on, tell me. Yes, very good. We are learning about flowers. Yes or no? Yes. Come on, color it fast. So you have to color this flower, okay? Yes. Come on, color it fast. Done. After coloring this flower, one more thing we have to do here is, see, how many petals does it have? You have to count the number of petals of this flower and write here, okay? See, now we will count the petals. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many petals are there? Yes, there are 8 petals. So you have to write here number 8. Okay. How many petals does this flower have? This flower is having 8 petals. So we have to write here number 8. Understood everyone? Have you all finished coloring? Yes? Come on, color fast. This is a happy flower. Yes or no? Yes. So finish coloring. Come on. Complete fast. So finish coloring. Yes. Okay. So tell me which topic we have learned today. Yes children. Come on, tell fast which topic we have learned. Have you all understood what we have learned today? Yes. We have learnt about flowers. So tell fast which flower is this? Marigold. Very good. This is Dahlia, Rose, Daisy, Lotus. Okay? Yes. Again, which flower is this? Jasmine, Buttercup, Orchid, Hibiscus, Lily. Okay? So today we have learnt about flowers. Have you all understood? So children, today we have learnt a very interesting topic, that is related to flowers. Very good. So we have seen there are many petal flowers. Okay, this marigold, it has many petals. Yes or no? And few petals means which are the flowers? Like hibiscus. Okay, so you can visit. I request here to all the parents, kindly take your students, kindly take your ward to the plant nurseries, so they will be able to identify and get more knowledge about the flowers. Okay, so children, I hope that you all have understood and enjoyed our today's session. So meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.